Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities. We do get chrome accents all around this vehicle, tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, your handy-dandy backup camera. You got a drop-in bed liner on this vehicle, nice looking chrome rims, gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, side view camera, and moving to the front, recovery hooks, and that nice front view camera. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, with plenty of door space in the back. You got powered windows in the back, 6 additional seats right here, outlets, and cup holders with a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 20,628 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control, digital speedometer, RPMs, with your main menu with My View, audio, vehicle maintenance settings, towing, navigation, status info, My View, gauges, and to my right we get tons of storage. You got a little cup holder, phone slot, and storage below, with your 6 additional seat, pretty handy, with storage below as well. More storage here, you got a hook to hold things down, outlets, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive with drive modes, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, climate controls with dual climate up front, 12-volt, more outlets there, storage above, below, on the dash with auto stop auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards and traction. And looking at our main screen here, we have your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, navigation, little red dot showing your vehicle's being. You can search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps you may download will show up right in here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8432, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.